Hi guys, it's me, Absolute Bad Boy. Today I'll be reviewing Dragon Star Series 1 Vegeta, the Prince of All Saiyans. So let's look at the box. Same box design, side view you see Vegeta, Prince of All Saiyans. Vegeta's name is Silver, and we have those figures you can get in this series. Goku Super Saiyan 1, Beerus-sama, Vegeta, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Frieza, and Goku. I reviewed Super Saiyan 1 Goku, Beerus-sama, and I'll be reviewing Prince of All Saiyans Vegeta now. I'll be unboxing them all. Every Saturday you'll see a new Dragon Star series unboxing. So let's open this figure. Let's get this figure out. For Singapore, sadly, we only have series 1, 2, 7, and 8. The 3, 4, 5, 6 will come soon. I see pre-orders on Carousel already for the series 3, 4, and 5 and 6. The only series we have in the shop are 1, 2, 6. No, 1, 2, 7, 8. So this is the display for Vegeta. Let's put it inside. The Build-A-Figure Shenron piece, and Vegeta. What I don't like about Series 1 Goku and Vegeta is their face looks so flat. It's like comics. It's not like 3-dimensional. He looks just like a kid, or yeah. I saw the series 7 or 8 Ultra Instinct Goku. Face is like rounder. This is like a flat face. It's like looks like a comic face. It does not look like a 3-dimensional face. And the legs are smaller than Goku's, obviously, same than pants. So let's look at this figure. Front view, side view, back view, and side view. The shoes. One thing you need to be aware when you buy the Dragon Star series, like when I bought Beerus-sama, I was at the store looking for a cleaner, cause the toy inspection, some of them has damages like paint loosening. Like what we have for the, when I bought Beerus-sama, right? Beerus-sama, there was one Beerus-sama with the eyes that paint dropping on all that shit. Yeah, so Vegeta. Let's look at articulations. 360 head shivers. Up, not that much of articulation for up. 360 shoulder articulations. 360 shiver for the joint. Articulations, hand articulations, 360, stomach articulations, legs up, and knee articulations, and 360 leg up. I like this yellow looks simplicity. I just don't like the face for Goku Super Saiyan 1, normal Goku, and this Vegeta. The face are all flat. It looks like trash, man. Like, for fuck's sake, Vegeta does not look like he has a neck. It looks like he lost his neck. It looks like he got decapitated and only had the head, and somebody cut off the neck and just put the bloody head on it. Other than that, I like the body. I just don't like the fucking face. The face looks like shit. Comes with key blast hands, just like Goku that I reviewed. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.